Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am going to show you how to work in a circle and make a flat circle. Okay, with a flat circle like this. So this circle has great, it has got great purposes. When worked in the circle and whatever number of stitches we need, so many we make, that can be divided into any number of parts as per the shape of the product that you require and converted into a square, a rectangle and whatnot. So center can be a circle and it is convertible. So that will come under convertible crochet. That's in the advanced technique. When I take up advanced stitches, I will go for the convertible crochet techniques. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create or make a flat circle and what is the logic behind it or what is the mathematics behind it. Okay, I shall demonstrate that right now. I am using a 5.5 mm, that is eye hook, clover eye hook, and I am using blend 3009 Aran cake yarn 100% premium acrylic anti-pill. Okay, these are the colors in this blend. I shall be beginning my work with this end, which is a blue color. To begin with, let us make the magic ring. Because I'm going to work in the circle, I'm going to make the magic ring first. I will hold it. So now the magic ring is made. Now I can remove this out from here. No problem at all, and this will move. Okay. Now you'll be working over both these strands. Make one single crochet first, stitch number 1, and use a stitch marker. That's the best way to work in the round till you are confident enough. And I'm going to make 8 single crochets in the ring. 1 is done, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now pull this closer so that it forms a circular ring, a small circular ring. Now you can remove the stitch marker. So you should have 8 V's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You slip stitch and join. I'm going to show you the first traditional method here. There are several ways of slip stitching and joining, and there is a method of spiral rounds also that will go in other videos. Now I'm going to do the traditional method. Insert my hook in the first stitch, pick up the yarn and pull through the loop on the hook. So I have now 8 loops here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 V's are there. Chain 1, 2, have the grip, lock it. Now you need to work in these 8. So the mathematics here is the number of stitches that you start in the first round. Every round will multiply by itself. So the second round will be twice the number of stitches. Third round will have 3 times the number of the first round, 4 times 4, and it's a table. You work in the table of that particular number of stitches you begin with. If you begin with 6, it's going to be 6, 12, 18, 24, so on. If it is 10, it's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 50, 60, etc. If it's 12, it's going to be 12, 24, 12, 36, 48, so on and so forth. That is how we increase the number of stitches. Only then your circle will be a flat one. Otherwise, it will cuddle inside. Okay. It may become bigger or smaller, and all different shapes you will get. So now we are going to work in the very first stitch. We are going to place 2 single crochets here. You can either take it, take it like this. 1 and 2, and in the second round we are going to place 2 single crochets in each of the stitches. So we started with 8 in the first round, so we need to have 16. Even if you miss out one stitch, all your calculations will go wrong, the pattern will go wrong, so you have to be very careful when you work in the circle or in the round. So remove it, and it's always better if you're a beginner to count the number of stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I have 16 stitches, so I'm going to slip stitch and join. Okay, this is a normal way of slip stitching. Another way is you can slip stitch to the back loop, join, and make a chain so that you are securing it, and then you work in under both. Third row you will be increasing like 1 minute. It should go under both these loops, otherwise the work will not be neat. Yeah. So that stitch is hidden behind this. So first single crochet made, and in the same thing you have the option of making another one. So now we have made 2 single crochets in this first stitch. In the second one we are going to make only 1 single crochet. Like we have 16 stitches, in twos we are going to convert them into 3 stitches. So we are going to have, at the end of the third row we need to have 24 stitches. So 1 2 3 is done. Again 2. So it's going to be 2 1 2 1 2 1. So hope we are right in the right track. Better to check. 2 1 2 1 2. The same you place 2. Next 1 2 1 2 and 1. So we are in the right track. Our count may be right because we began with 2 stitches in first one, so we need to end with 1 at the last stitch, but anyway it's better to count. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 24 stitches are there. Now you can join, slip stitch and join in the normal way. The first one I made it little tight. Okay, so instead of chaining 1 and securing, you can directly also make, otherwise chain 1 and do it, that's better. So here I'm going to have a little different pattern. In this row, every 3 stitches I'm going to convert it into 4. So that means I need to work 2 stitches in one and then 1 in the next 2. So first one I'm going to make it as only 1 single stitch. In the second one I'm going to make 1 single stitch, and in the third I'm going to make 2 stitches. So again 1 1 2 1 1 2. So we'll have 6 now. 1 2 3 4. No, we'll have 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 we need to place one more here, so it's become 8. So 1 1 2 1 1 2 8 9 10 11 and 12. So the multiple of 4, the last one, will become the 2 stitches. 13 14 15 16. So place 1 1 2. When I come to the first stitch, I shall meet you here. I've come to the end of this round here. So now I'll show you a different way of joining. Pull this little long, then insert your hook from behind this stitch, this V, pick this up and pull it inside to the other end, and then pick this yarn from behind. So this slip stitching will be a little invisible and it will not be seen like this. How much ever you slip stitch and join and you try, the stitch will appear when you do in the traditional way, and this way it will not appear. Now count the number of stitches. We are in 1 2 3 4 rounds. Fourth round we need to have 32, and I have counted, it is 32. Now every 4 stitches to be converted into 5. So multiple of 5, 8 in 5 times is, next round we'll have 40 stitches. So what you can do is, you can insert your hook here, pick up the loop, 1 single crochet, second single crochet. We are going to stagger the 2 stitch stitches, like where we are going to make 2 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. One, 2, 3, 4 here, the same stitch, and 5. So continue this pattern till the end. I shall meet you when I come to the first stitch here. I've come to the end of the round here. Let me count, double checking. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Oh god, it's gone. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So 40 stitches we have. Now we need to slip stitch and join. So pull this loop up a little bit. See here, the stitching is very neat, and this is the first stitch. It will hide a little bit. Now pull this out from, you have inserted the hook from behind that stitch, and picking up this last loop, pull it out, insert your hook again into that loop and pick the working yarn and close it tight. So this is how. Now next round we'll have 48 stitches. The other one, how much ever bigger you want, you can make it that big, or as per the number of stitches you require in the round, you can make that big, and then proceed with your projects. So this is how we create a flat circle. So I shall make few more rounds and post the picture at the end of the video. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye for now.